Welcome to Take a Minute. I'm Noemi, and in these stressful times, I'm here to share some tips with stay-at-home moms, working moms, and everything in between moms. In this week's Take a Minute, let's talk about lunchbox packing tips and hacks. First off, why pack a lunch when it's so much easier to go through the drive-thru? Well, packing a lunch, whether for yourself or for your children, may seem like an overwhelming task, but it's a good idea for several reasons. First off, it saves money. Also, you have better control over the ingredients. And also that leads to a healthier diet for yourself and your family. However, it will mean taking extra time, effort, and preparation to get it done. So here are some tips and hacks to get you started. Start planning when you grocery shop. When meal planning and shopping, think in terms of what will go well in a lunchbox. Items which can be chopped, sliced, cubed, and separated are good choices. Also try to stick to items that will stay fresh in a room temperature environment. Here are some suggestions. Start with fresh fruit or veggies such as carrots, celery, grapes, strawberries, apple slices, and cucumber slices. Also, nuts, crackers, cookies, or other dried foods are also a good idea, including peanuts, almonds, granola, saltine or cheese crackers, and pretzels. And don't forget the dried fruit, such as raisins, dried cranberries, and banana chips. Pre-cut and package into small food portions. Make Ziploc bags your friends and pre-cut and package foods so that they are easy to grab in the morning. The kids can even have fun helping with this chore. This can be done the night before or on a Sunday when you can prepare lunches for the whole week for the whole family. Also remember that kids eat in smaller portions, so package the food accordingly. If your kids will only eat 3 carrot sticks instead of 10, put only 3 or 4 per sack bag. Instead, add some other veggies, fruit, or other snacks to their lunch for some variety. Chicken, whether grilled or rotisserie, is a good option. A good tip for grilled or rotisserie chicken is to shred, slice, or dice it. Then you are left with a wide variety of choices for presentation. You can make sandwiches. You can have it cubed with a side of veggies. You can serve it over a bed of lettuce like a grilled salad. Or you can add some mayo for chicken salad. Some other options for protein include deli meats such as ham, turkey, or pepperoni. You can also boil some eggs, use peanut butter, or even cheese, whether in sticks or cubed. And remember to stay fresh. One quick tip for keeping your lunchbox food fresher longer is to freeze yogurt tubes, juice boxes, or pouches and add them to the lunchbox. They will act as an ice pack and thaw out by lunchtime. For more information, visit our webpage at www.mcallenlibrary.net for a list of available books for checkout at the McAllen Public Library. And this is Take a Minute. This has been Take a Minute. I'm Noemi with the Palmy Branch Library, asking you to take a minute to take care of yourself so you can take care of your family.